This is the Lockpicking Lawyer. The lock I have for you today is a MCM Euro Profile Dimple Cylinder. I believe it's the model AS6, but I'm not positive about that. This is one of the locks that Papa Gleb sent to me, so Gleb, thank you very, very much for this lock. It's been a fun pick. We're going to try to pick this guy open on video now, and then I will gut it and show you all the pins inside. Okay, 1 is springy. 2 is binding, lifting up on him, got a click, and then he went springy again. Number 3, same thing, click, and then he went springy. Nothing from 4. 5, got a click, and then he went springy again. 6, I lifted him way up high, and I got a little click pretty much at the top of the travel. Nothing from 1. Nothing from 2. Click out of 3. Nothing from 4. Click out of 5. Dropped into a bit of a false set. Nothing from 6. Okay, 1 I'm getting counter rotation on now. Lost a bit of the false set there. Click out of 2. Nothing from 3. Nothing from 4. Nothing from 5. Nothing from 6. Nothing on 1. Click out of 2. I'm sorry, that was 3. I don't think I got anything out of 2. Nothing there. Nothing from 4, 5, and then 5 opened her up. Okay, a little bit of a challenge, but not too bad. Let's take this guy apart and see what's inside. Okay, I already took the clip off of this guy, so just have to be careful not to lock her up. Okay, let's start with the, oops, let me adjust the angle on this. Okay, let's start with the key pins. Standard, 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 standard. These guys are getting harder and harder to get out. Standard. These all appear to be silver in color, which means we're probably dealing with something either nickel silver or steel as an anti-drill pin. And these are probably anti-drill pins because they get attracted to the magnet. Let's take a look at the driver pins. Okay, in 1 we've got a spool. 2 we have a standard with a narrowing at the end. That would explain why the springs went, or the pins went springy after the first click. Same on 3. Same on 4. I'm sorry, spool in 4. Same as the one in number 1. One of those modified standards in number 5. And then another spool in number 6. Okay, let me give you a close-up of this. Looks like okay bitting. I don't have the key to show you, but it looks like we've got a high cut in 6 behind some lower ones in 4, then a low one in 4, and a little high cut behind that. Doesn't matter that much on dimples, but interesting nevertheless. Okay, here's our pinning. We have 6 steel anti-drill pins, 4 key pins. Then going up to the drivers, we have spools in positions 1, 4, and 6, and then modified stander pins with a little bit of a narrowing at either end. What that does is makes you pick it a couple of times, so an effective security pin. Gleb, thanks again for sending me this lock. To everyone else, if you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.